Okay, good morning. My name is Wedermawan Gea. I am from Digging at 2020. I'm standing here to tell the story of the grasshopper and the ant. One day, in his coaching and in his housing summer, an ant was seen working hard to collect food. He searches for and transports food which he finds to collect and store in his barn. Even though the scorching heat and the falling rain soaked the ground and his body, he keeps working hard to collect food so that later when winter comes, they can have sufficient food supply to survive. Seeing this, the grasshopper reprimanded the ant and said, "Hey ant, why you are so diligent in collecting food non-stop?" Then answered by the ant, "Yeah, I have to work. I have to collect a lot of food, so when winter comes, don't die of starvation." Hearing the answer of the ant, the grasshopper was carried away with laughter and said, "Ha ha 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 ha, why so many trouble? Winter is still long." Then the grasshopper went away while eating the leaves that became his food. And ants continue work hard and diligently collect food for their supplies. Throughout the summer and following season, the grasshopper remained lazing around and not gathering food for their supplies, until finally winter comes and it lasts longer compared to before. And the grasshopper almost died and asked food to the ant. Good nature, the ant could bear to see a hungry grasshopper and want to share food with the grasshopper. The moral of the story is, don't be lazy and keep working hard and keep helping others. That's all from me. Thank you.